May the 8th, 2017. Alaska is being struck with an earthquake swarm. First, a powerful 5.7 magnitude earthquake struck Alaska with a depth of 94 kilometers. Moments later it was struck again with a 5.9 magnitude earthquake with a depth of 88 kilometers. Not too long after, a massive 6.6 magnitude earthquake shook Alaska with a depth of 38 kilometers. May the 1st, 2017. A massive and very shallow 6.5 magnitude earthquake shakes Alaska with a depth of 10 kilometers. A few hours later, a 6.4 magnitude earthquake struck again, as well as the border of British Columbia, with a depth of 83 kilometers. Matthew 24:7. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines, and pestilences, and earthquakes, in divers places.